there's too much snow on the ground, and well, snow, ice, the boat's covered in snow, so we won't really be accomplishing much in the way of that. We are going to pull off the cover to get all the snow off it, and we're thinking of putting these seats on it to set the cover up just a little bit higher. We did hook up the NOCO Genius to, let me see if I can wake this thing up. We did hook up the NOCO Genius. I think it's 1080p right now, so I probably can't do much of a zoom. But I unplugged it, plugged it back in, and it knew AGMs immediately. So it does have some kind of memory in there. And it goes through lighting these up, and then once it finally fills up the charge, this repair, I think this is just what they mean by repair is float charge. So it's constantly keeping a charge in. Is this warm? Like it's actually doing something. But I got it hooked up to these big East Pandeca 31 series. Was it 8G31s? This is what I used last year in the boat, and they seem to do really good. I haven't decided on the wiring scheme yet. So I want to go ahead and put these little things on. So put it right there. I would keep it on this way. But I don't want to. This might be a short video, or I might add on to the end of this getting the snow off the boat. Yeah, I might do that. I think I will. Me and Cat fight with it to get the snow. Wow, that's its lowest setting. That's going to be too high. Pretty neat. Got a weird feeling. Oh, it's got something on it, that's what it is. Class B. Class B what? H31 fishing only. ABYC Class B. What is ABYC? And I can't do anything with the other seats yet. You can't do any of that, can't do that, can't do that. This actually goes with that. And I can't do that yet. It's cold and snowy outside. So I guess really this is all I could do today. Like I said, we tested out the NoCo Genius on those AGMs, and seems to be doing its thing. All that thing there is an extension cord. Keep me from having to open up any of the hatches. I can just pop a little cap, plug in the cord, and let it charge up. I don't know what's going to happen when it has water in there. It does have like a waterproof connection, or a waterproof connection cover, I believe. We'll see. I think they're expecting it to be some kind of, you know what, I could put this plug right over by the hand controls and that'll keep it from getting water in it. You know, we'll see. Ain't got to that bridge to jump off of yet. So I guess we'll go out there and dump the snow off of this, and I'll go through and edit the video and I'll send it. It's KI5CEY saying 73s. Y'all be good.